She's stuck in walkers everywhere. After he left, everybody asked Randy. There were no doctors there. It was just him. He was hooked up to the machines, and I did not know what to do.
What are you doing?
Really?
What are you doing?
I'm texting Sean to get me out of this thing. But you're not helping.
You got yourself into that. You're gonna have to get yourself out.
I can't find the end of these two.
The tape?
Yes.
Just keep pulling it off.
I know I did myself.
Oh my
I found
God.
it.